Hello? Hello?
What?
You look cozy.
I am the ghost of Christmas past.
I like the ears.
Use the force, Luke.
Did you know I made this?
Use the force.
I made that. I make things.
Use the force, Luke. Use the force.
I don't get that. Is it because you look like Yoda?
We don't know each other anymore.
Well, but because
Get on with the craft. What are we making?
we're making a Christmas tree, all from paper.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Paper.
So probably the cheapest and fastest gift.
Cheapest and fastest
Or craft.
gift, or like you could stick it as a table centerpiece, something like that.
Looks wonderful.
All right, let's jump into the tutorial.
Sounds good.
Hey, we are back again with another tutorial. So I am making a little paper Christmas tree, and I actually made these cutouts, which you'll be able to find on the blog. I'll create a little PDF for you guys. So they're all just one a little bit smaller than the other, and all I'm showing you here is just trace them onto whatever color paper. I'm obviously doing green for a Christmas tree. Cut them out, and then what you're going to do is on the point of each at each point, you're going to use your scissors and just cut straight towards the middle, and you just cut in about an inch to an inch or half an inch, depending on the size of your nonagon. Yeah, it's super simple. Just cut straight down towards the middle at each corner. And then once you're done that, you'll fold each little corner in to create a point. So you'll have those little flaps, and the corner of each flap just point towards the middle. So essentially you want the peak to be in the middle of that kind of flap. So you'll just fold towards, and it doesn't need to be perfect. It doesn't have to be perfectly even or anything like that. All you want is that the little point comes to a point. So yeah, if you kind of just practice with the first one, and then you'll get the hang of it. It's super easy, super, super, super easy. And like I said, it doesn't need to be perfect. It's a tree. So trees are not perfect. Like, it doesn't have to be a perfect geometric, even masterpiece. It actually looks a lot better when it's a little bit messier. Yeah, it looks more natural. So once you do that, you're going to basically do that for all of your sizes. And my tree is actually just a little bit smaller. Then you can make it bigger. It just depends on how many layers you want to do. But I thought kind of like a nice, it stands about 5 inches, 6 inches tall when it's done. And yeah, you just see basically, I'm just showing you how they're all going to stack together and how the sizes, and you can kind of get an idea for yourself. Oh, okay, this one fits better this way, depending on how you folded them too, because those two are the same size. So yeah, once you've kind of worked that out, you'll get a shish kebab skewer, like a wooden shish kebab skewer, and then you're going to poke a hole through the middle of each one of your circles. I use a thumbtack. Worked pretty good. My shish kebab skewer also has a point on the end, so it kind of helped force it through the hole once I've created it with the thumbtack. And yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect, just kind of aim for the middle, do your best. Like I said, it just, as long as you're not like way off, but just aim for the middle and then poke your shish kebab through there and just kind of push it down until it hits where you want it to stand, and it should stand on its own. Once you've got it like that, you're going to add a little bit of glue onto the base where the shish kebab skewer comes out, just so that it stays put. And you're only going to do that on the bottom layer. That's the only place that I put the glue. And it'll just dry as you work, so don't have to worry about that. And then just proceed putting holes through the rest of the sizes. And they're nonagons. And it took me a long time to get that word right. A nonagon, it's got 9 sides. For all you out there wondering. If you didn't know, now you know. And so you want to just play around with the sizes. Like, those two are the exact same size, but I kind of was like, well, I don't know, I think the one on the bottom doesn't really sit as evenly as I'd like it to, and I kind of thought the one on top made it look a little top heavy, I think, so I just pull it right back off and switch them around. And that's why I don't put glue on them, just because it'll just be messy if you do decide, oh, that one doesn't look as good. So yeah, I just pop the other one on the bottom, and I think it just fits better. And then also, you can see how the tree has a little bit of a lean. You just adjust it, you just literally adjust it with your hands, like push it back and forth, and it'll even out. It's really quite flexible, which is nice. It's a really nice flexible craft, and you can play around with it just to get it just right. Just zhuzh the areas that you want it to be more full. So basically, that's it. That's done. So now I just wanted to put a tree topper on, and I was like, what can I put on the top? I didn't want to make a paper star. I just thought something more unique, a little something more kind of elegant, and I found this ball, or it's a jingle bell, like kind of a large bell, and it happened to fit perfectly on top of the skewer, and I was like, huh. I just kind of smushed my tree there a bit, but yeah, I adjust it, you know, you just kind of play with it a little bit. There, it's upright again. So yeah, and now I thought, oh, well, the tree can look like it maybe had a little bit of snow on it. So I do just a dusting of sprinkles or sparkles. You can't really see it in the video. It doesn't come through as well as we were kind of hoping. But you'll see more detail in the pictures on Instagram and on the blog. And basically all I'm doing here with the glitter is mixing some gold and white, just because I thought the gold would pop a little bit more, and hairspray, because I was like, well, why not? I mean, hairspray holds glitter on. Glitter sticks to everything. Let's just be real. Like, you don't even need to put glue on it. It sticks to fucking everything. So I just spray a little bit of hairspray after I put this, like I sprinkle a little on, hairsprayed it, sprinkle more on, hairsprayed it. You know the drill. Just hold the hairspray can further away from the craft. It's paper, so you don't want to soak it because it'll wreck your project. So just a misting of the hairspray. Just like that, just a mist. Don't get too close to it. Just be very precious about spraying that hairspray. I'm sure there's adhesive spray, like glue adhesive, but I couldn't be bothered. I have that. It's like Mod Podge spray, but I find the smell is just really toxic, and hairspray is just a little bit gentler on the sinuses and the lungs, and it holds. The glitter stays. Like, I mean, it's glitter. It gets everywhere. And then, yeah, we're pretty much done. That's the final product, and it makes a super cute table topper, and yeah, super easy.
I have a Christmas gift for you.
Okay, just don't judge my
I have a Christmas gift for you.
What do you have?
Check it out. Humbug. Humbug. Pretty good, eh?
Not bad. You get like a dent there.
A dit?
A dent.
You're a dit.
I had to say.
Yeah, get on with this. We finished our tutorial.
I have one on my forehead.
Yes, you do.
I got a dent.
I have one on my lower back.
Ew.
Sorry.
So what'd you think of the tutorial?
Fast.
What'd you think
easy.
of the tree? Kind of impressive.
Very easy.
And so these white cutouts, I'll have a PDF on the blog that you can download for free, care of me, and
that's all you have to say?
That's all I gotta say.
Free PDFs on our site.
Free PDFs.
And I'll help you make this little tree. Use that as a centerpiece.
Yeah, because the website that I got inspired to do this by, it said I could get the freebie, and I just couldn't find it. So I went on and took some initiative and we made it myself, and I'm gonna share it with all you guys. And check the blog, like, subscribe, share with your friends. Check out our other social medias. We're on Instagram.
Check the pictures.
On Instagram.
Yeah, you can't see the sparkles and the sprinkles and how beautiful it really looks.
Yeah, I'll get some nice good close-up shots. We'll do a little photo shoot. So yeah, thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys. Bye.